Hello, I'm making chicken wings today. Who doesn't like chicken wings? Everybody loves some chicken wings. Not everybody, but you know what I mean. Seasoning up the chicken with some red pepper flakes, salt, of course, um, some shawarma, some paprika. Season with anything you want, as tasty as you want it to be. Usually I put my chicken in the refrigerator, but this time I wanted to do a quick dry rub. Into the oven it goes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And look at this beauty. My dipping sauce is blue cheese with poppy seed dressing. And of course I have some celery and carrots on the side. It is still sizzling hot. Until next time, bon appetit!